Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out the Bosch Unlimited 10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, a premium cordless vacuum designed for deep cleaning, pet hair removal, and powerful everyday use across carpets, hard floors, upholstery, and tight spaces. If you're searching for a lightweight cordless vacuum with strong suction, long battery life, and flexible cleaning features, this one deserves attention. The first thing that stands out about the Bosch Unlimited 10 is the impressive runtime. With up to 80 minutes of battery life, this vacuum is built for larger homes and longer cleaning sessions without constantly recharging. That makes a huge difference for users who want uninterrupted cleaning across multiple rooms, stairs, furniture, and even cars. Performance is where Bosch really pushes this model forward. The powerful motor delivers strong suction for pet hair, dust, crumbs, and fine particles trapped inside carpets and rugs. On hard floors, it glides smoothly while picking up debris efficiently without scattering dirt around. If you own pets, the dedicated pet hair cleaning capability is especially useful because it handles fur on sofas, carpets, and upholstery with less effort. Another premium feature is the bendable tube design. This allows you to clean underneath beds, sofas, and low furniture without bending your back constantly. It's one of those features that sounds simple but becomes incredibly useful during daily cleaning. Combined with the lightweight cordless body, maneuvering around furniture feels smooth and convenient. The HEPA filtration system is another major advantage. It helps trap fine dust particles and allergens, making the vacuum a strong option for households with allergies or pets. Cleaner air output is important because many vacuums simply recirculate dust back into the room, but the Bosch HEPA system helps reduce that issue significantly. The package also includes multiple accessories for upholstery, corners, furniture, and detailed cleaning. Switching attachments is simple, allowing the vacuum to adapt quickly from floors to stairs to couches and even vehicle interiors. The docking and charging setup also keeps storage organized and convenient. Build quality feels premium throughout the entire vacuum. Bosch focuses heavily on durability, modern design, and practical engineering, and that's noticeable from the handling to the cleaning performance. The white finish also gives it a clean, modern appearance that fits nicely into contemporary homes. Overall, the Bosch Unlimited 10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for people who want strong cordless performance, long battery life, advanced filtration, flexible cleaning, and premium convenience in one machine. It's especially ideal for pet owners and larger homes where versatility matters. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily tech and home product reviews. And if you want to check out the Bosch Unlimited 10 for yourself, the Amazon link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.